Hi guys, my name is Kola. I currently work in Kverneland Group operations as a mechanical engineering intern. Come along with me as I show you a day in my life working as an intern. I take the train early in the morning at 7 a.m. from Stavanger to Oksnavad-Potten, Klepp. Kverneland production facility is located only 1 minute's walk from the train station. Kverneland Group is a world-renowned international company that manufactures agricultural implements and electronic solutions. Here in the factory in Klepp, we produce plows. On arrival in the office, I say hi to my colleagues, who came earlier than me as always. After grabbing a hot cup of coffee, I sit on my desk and start preparing for the day. I am currently working on a project which involves the 3D scanning and drawing of a welding jig to be used in the production factory. First, I scan the tool to be drawn. After scanning, I then model the welding jig using the Siemens NX software. During this complex work, I take a lunch break. On completion of the modeling, I review it with my colleagues and team lead. Thereafter, I produce the drawings. After finalizing the drawings with my team lead, I finish my work for the day and then I take the train back home.